guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, we're going to do an unboxing. Yeah, we're gonna do unboxing on pancake maker machine. So this is the box. As you can see guys, meron siyang drawing dito na mga pancakes, waffles. Pero ang nagustuhan ko dito guys is color yellow siya, and this is Gudetama. But they called this Tanhuangke. They call this Tanhuangke. I just discovered the name of these cartoons on my coworker. So guys, I am really excited to open it. Actually guys, the original price of the pancake maker machine is 850, I guess. I bought this from my friend, my coworker's husband. He want to solve this in a half price, which is 400 something. They just got this guys on claw machine, and they I bought it. Yeah, so if you are excited on what is inside of this box, please keep on watching.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너.
This is really brand new. Yeah. Open na siya guys. On the outside of this box, you can see the picture. Oh, picture here. Maybe ganito siya. Kasi wala akong idea. I have idea kung ano yung style ng pancake maker na to. So, okay. Excited na ako. Kung excited ka guys, I'm so excited. Hala. Wait. I'll need to clean this up first kasi pangit, maliit lang ang room, so I have to I have to clean. Meron kasi siyang ano dyan guys, parang sealed, kaya mahirap siya tanggalin. And nagustuhan ko pa rin siya guys kasi it's color yellow. As you can see on my room, it's full of yellow. Ouch. Wow, ang laki pala niya. I didn't expect na malaki siya. Guys, look at this. Look at the inside. Meron siyang paper na pwede siyang maging guide to make anik-anik. What's this? Unfortunately guys, puro as I expected, puro tsekwa. So hindi natin maiintindihan yan. It's okay. Okay, pero meron siyang nakalagay dito English. Keep away from small. What's this? Okay, let's just pull it out first para mabasa natin yung mabasa natin yung nasa loob. Okay. Yan! Wow! This is really cute. Ang laki ng karton niya. Okay. This is what it look like. Meron siyang styrofoam. Okay, meron siyang nakasulat dito, keep away from small children. The thin film may cling to nose and mouth and prevent breathing. Hala, baka masira ako. Okay. Yeah. Ang cute-cute niya! Hindi na tayo nawalang niya. Guys, ang ganda! Yan. Yun lang, magiging ignorante tayo kung paano siya. So, ano lang pala siya guys. Okay. This, if you want to open, this is the way to open. Ihilain mo lang siya. Then put this up. Wow! Ah, look. Ang cute niya. So, meaning, yung nasa box niya is, look, this is the front and this is the back. Ah, okay. Now, I understand now. Meron siya. Wala nakalagay kung, okay. 110 AC 110 volt lang siya, guys. So kasi usually sa atin is 220 lang siya. Pero kung meron ka naman converter, guys, pwede mong gamitin to sa Pilipinas. Yeah! Ang cute niya. Ganito ang itsura niya sa side. Aray ko, ouch! Ganito ang itsura niya sa likod. Ano so cute. Wow! Guys, mayroon siyang tatak ng Sanrio. Masyadong maliwanag yung ilaw ko. Gute tama. Sanrio license. Hindi na siya guys, 2016 pa siya. But this is really brand new. Meron siya nakasulat dito, pero hindi ko maintindihan kasi check ko siya. Pero okay lang din naman yan. Okay. Open. Ganyan. Maglalagay ka dito. Then close. You have to close it. And then wala siyang power. I don't know how to operate this. Tapos wala din siya. Kailangan may socket ka dito, guys. Wala siyang binigay na socket. So maybe you can remove this one para magkasya sa sa may lutuan. I'm so excited to use this, guys. Kasi every morning we need to eat breakfast. So minsan tinatamad na ako. Maybe Ang cute niya, guys. Yeah, ang cute niya. I can use this every day, I guess. Pero sabi ng friend ko, they want to taste what Philippine pancake tastes like. So, yeah, maybe. Okay. Ang cute. Ang cute niya. Okay, guys. That is the full vlog. Marami pa tayong ipapakita. Kaso nga lang, we don't have enough time. So, okay, guys. Okay, guys, that's all for this video. Hope you enjoy it, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you again in my next one. God bless you all, guys. Ket na signing off. Bye. Bye.